Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jimmy.
I want to learn about the birds and the bees.
Oh, okay, I guess it's time for that talk then. You can just sit down right in front of me.
Okay, alright. Okay, alright, Mom.
Alright, Jimmy. Well, since you want to know about the birds and the bees, why couldn't your dad do this? Well, oh yeah, that's right, because I divorced your dad. Oh yeah. Alright, well, Jimmy, time to teach you about the birds and the bees. So there's a bee, right? This is the bee, little Jimmy, see, because it has a stinger. And it's flying all around, woohoo, looking because it's really lonely and it wants to meet some nice man or bird. So, it's really lonely. It's really lonely. So, it's flying around, and then eventually it meets the bird. And the bee says, "Hello there, Mr. Bird. Are you single?" And the bird says, "Oh, yes, Mrs. B. What the heck? Oh, yes, Mrs. B. I am. Are you?" And the Mrs. B says, yes, I am single. Would you like to get together and make me not lonely anymore? And the bird says, "Oh, yes, Mr. B, Mrs. B. Yes, I would love to do that. Let's get together sometime." And then, after a while, they start to go out on dates. And, they have some of this. This is food. It's actually skin, but this is food. So they're eating their food. And eventually, Mr. Bird says, "Alright, would you like to come back to my house?" And Mrs. B says, "Oh yeah, that would be great." So then they go back to their house. And then they go in the bedroom and just, yeah. They just do that.
Okay, what the heck, Mom?
And then 9 months later, a baby pops out.
Okay. Could you go into a little bit more in depth about it?
Maybe I'll tell you how that really happens when you get a little bit older, because right now you're only about 8. So I'll tell you about that when you get older, okay?
Oh, okay. Alrighty then.
Okay, well, this was Okay, go talk to your dad about this. I really don't want to talk about this anymore. Get out of my room!
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh.
Yeah, I get my best flows to test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos.